Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, I will show you how to change download preference in Google Maps on Android. If you change this setting, you can save your mobile data. It's very easy and simple. Now let's start. First, open Google Maps on your phone. Then tap on profile picture icon. This is located on the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on settings. Now tap on offline map settings. See here, there are some options you can find. Now tap on download preference. Now here you can set over Wi-Fi or mobile data. That means over Wi-Fi or mobile network. If you set this, your Google Map download on Wi-Fi or mobile network. It consumes your mobile data. On the other hand, if you set over Wi-Fi only, it does not download on mobile network. It's save your lot of mobile data. That's it. I hope you understand this process and you can save your mobile data. If you like this video, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech videos. Thank you.